Hi folks, John.Richardson here. Going to show you a 2018 Coachmen Transit van. This is a Class B van. We get to do our own trade-ins. This is my own trade-in. The lady bought it here last June, has traded it back in with a whopping 7,700 miles on it. Now, as you can see, this is a 22-foot van. It's got all the goodies on it. We got solar on it. We got the Truma hot water system. We got power bed, multiplex wiring, so you can turn anything on or off from two different positions. One coming into the van to turn your lights on. It's a dually. I'm going to show you some things about it. You've got a swivel seat here on the passenger side. I'm not going to go the trouble to turn it around, but that will spin around so that you can have a conversation with the people sitting in the back. Now you'll notice as we get in, we have a screen door. We have a screen door on the side entrance. We have a screen on the back so you can open the thing up, close the screen, not worry about bugs, that type of thing. So let's go inside and check it out. As you can see right here, we have our lighting system here, galley light, ceiling, porch light, awning, power awning on it. Up above the door, we have our solar panel here. We have a propane generator that's got a grand total of 5 hours on it. It just didn't work for her commuting back and forth to Salem. Truma hot water system, storage across the front. This is a automatic 6-cylinder. Like I said, 7,700 miles. Storage up here. Bathroom, Class B van. Take a look at the bathroom. Got your throne, got your sink, soap dispenser, magnifying glass. Why, look at this. I can even see myself in the mirror. You know, I'm a little older than I was about 29 years ago when I came to work here. So, toilet paper holders, all enclosed. We've got an induction stove here. We have a sink with a faucet. How about that? We've got some drawers. You'll notice she took impeccable care of it. She literally used the stove one time. That's the only thing that's been used. She never used the refrigerator. She did take the trouble to put all the owner's manual, everything in here. And a photo album, self-closing drawers. Take a look. I mean, literally, it has nothing in it. Self-closing drawers, solid surface countertops, cabinets up above the top here for storage, hidden hinges, self-supporting. This has got your power couch in the back, which will either make into a queen-size bed, or if a person wanted to, you can use your power couch in the down position, make it into 2 twin beds. Hanging closet here. We've got TV in the back. Windows that open for cross flow ventilation. Charging ports here. If you got any questions in regards to this, we'll go around the outside. I want to show you a couple things about that. The number's going to be down underneath my name at the bottom of at the end of the video. I can spit that out eventually. Come on back out this way. So you'll notice the big sliding door here. We have the power awning so you can sit out here. You're not going to be inside this van. Hopefully you're going to be out here enjoying the beautiful area that you're in. Electric hookup out here. On the back we have the screen in the back. You can see she's got here's her sewer hose, power adapters. We normally give you all that stuff. This is all brand new, never been used. Screen here so you can close off to keep the bugs out. These doors will open all the way out so that you can put them actually all the way against the sides of the rig. Got generator, we've got our city water, black water flush. All your connections are clearly marked here. Dually, you've got the power wash here. In the event the dog gets into sand or something, you can clean him off. This is, I think I mentioned it, a gas rig with your gas door protected by locking your van. Any other questions, feel free to give me a holler. John.Richardson, the number's right down there. Thank you so much. I appreciate your time.